Okay, so we're going to begin our first project, which is the fruit vegetable face. I'm going to open Photoshop, and notice I have a black screen, so I first need to make a new document. I'm going to go to File, New. I'm going to see if my recent items, if this custom 8.5 by 11 comes up from our last project, and I'm just going to, if I can't, I just come over here and type 8.5 by 11, make sure it's in inches, and the resolution is going to be 72, and I just hit create, and I have my document. Now notice the document is a little bit small on the screen. I'm going to hit Command 0, and that's going to make it a little bit larger on the screen. Okay, so I need to find my head shape, so I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and I'm just going to use a cantaloupe. So I typed in cantaloupe, and I've got all these images, and I'm just going to scroll to one that I like. Now, make this easy on yourself. Find one that has a blank background, and this is going to be for all the images that you look at. So this is fine. Maybe I'll choose this guy. There we go. All right, so I'm going to hit Control, click, and that brings up this little window here, and I'm going to hit Copy Image. I'm going to click back over to Photoshop, and I'm going to hit Paste. So I'm going to go to Edit, Paste, and it's going to put my cantaloupe inside my document. So this cantaloupe is a little large. Notice it also created a new layer. So now I need to make this cantaloupe a little bit smaller. I'm going to go back to my Move tool. I'm going to come up here. I need to make sure the Show Transform Controls is on. So click on that, and you will see in the corners of this document these little boxes. I'm going to hover over that. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to click and drag. And then I'm just going to let go of the Shift key and drag it over into my document. Hold down the Shift key, click and drag. Make that a little bit smaller until it fits good on my screen. Okay, this is perfect. So that's the size I want it. Now I can't really do anything. So if I click on my paintbrush, it's going to say, do you want to apply the transformation? I'm just going to cancel that. You could hit apply, but this is also a telltale sign. If you have this little check up here, that means there was a transformation made. You need to hit that check mark. I'm going to hit the check mark, and now I could do anything. So I have my layer 1. This is my cantaloupe. Now I need some eyes. So I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to come up here, and we're going to choose some blueberries. Okay, again, make this easy on yourself. Don't choose this image where there's a million blueberries. Find one where there's a white background. So we could easily just pick this image. I'm going to hit Control, click, copy image, go back to Photoshop, and I'm going to go to Edit, Paste. Okay, so now I have my blueberries. It's made a layer 2. So this is keeping these two separate. So this is on one layer, this is on another layer. Now I only need one of these blueberries. So what's the fastest way to get rid of all the rest of the blueberries? Well, there's a million different ways to do it, but I think the fastest way is to get my rectangular marquee tool. I'm just going to click and drag, and it made a box around this other blueberries. I could hit delete on my keyboard, and voila, it's gone. Again, I'm going to click and drag, use delete on my keyboard, and it's gone. Now again, I have these marching ants. I got to get rid of those. Select, deselect. Okay, so back to my Move tool. I still have some white over here I need to get rid of. Take that marquee tool, click, drag, make a box around that, hit delete. And I'm going to move my blueberry. Whoops. Uh-oh. Okay, so notice I have 2 layers selected. We just want to unselect those, go back to my blueberry. Not letting me get that blueberry over. So I'm going to go on my keyboard, kind of do it the slow way here, and move it over until it comes onto my picture, and now I can sort of drag that over. Okay, so I've got all this white stuff that I need to get rid of. So we're going to go to our selection tool. So remember, this is our quick select tool, our magic wand. So let's try our magic wand tool. I'm going to click on the white, Okay, it selected all the white area, and I'm going to hit delete. So now I've got just the blueberry. Select, deselect, go back to my move tool, and I can move the blueberry. Now I need to shrink it a little bit, so again I'm going to hover over in the corner, hold down that shift key, click and drag. If I don't hold down the shift key, I can make it all sorts of crazy. Okay, I'm going to undo that. So hold down the shift key, click, drag. We're going to make that smaller. Okay, so again I've got that check mark. I need to click on that. Now I need to duplicate this because I need two eyes, right? So I'm going to hold down the option key. Notice I've got those two arrows. So without the option key, just one. Holding down the option key, you got two. Click and drag. And now I've got two eyes. Okay. So again, each image on a separate layer. And now I need to go get a mouth. So I'm going to go back over to Google Chrome. Maybe we'll do a carrot. Not exactly sure why. Let's choose this carrot. Doesn't really look like a mouth. Maybe a banana. Again, choose something that is on a white background. Okay, I'm going to hold down the control key, click, copy image, go to Photoshop. We're going to go to Edit, Paste, or Command V. And there I've got my banana. So again, same thing. Go over to your magic wand, click the white, hit delete, select, deselect, go up to my move tool, and I can move this. I can hold down the shift key, drag it. Now I just double clicked on the banana to get that check mark to go away. I need to rotate that. So notice if I hover here, I've got the arrows. If I hover out here, I've got a rotate tool. So now I could click and drag and rotate this banana however I want it to be. Okay, the only other thing is, okay, so I'm going to make some ears. I'm going to go over again to Chrome, Control click, copy the image, go back to Photoshop, edit, paste. Okay, so I've got this strawberry. I'm going to make it smaller, hold down the shift key, click and drag, move it over, probably a little bit smaller, double click. Let's get rid of the white background. So again, we're going to go to our magic wand, click on the white, hit delete, and I've got some extra here. So let's just click on that, hit delete. We could click on that again, hit delete. Okay, I'm going to deselect that. I need to rotate that a little bit. So we're going to rotate. I'm going to move this over to my cantaloupe. And notice I kind of only need half of this ear, right? So I can double click this. I could come to this rectangular marquee tool, click and drag. And it's not a perfect, so I'm going to start down here and come up. And I'm going to delete half of that ear. So that's going to be my ear. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Hold down the shift key, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so I've got one ear. I need an ear over here. I'm going to hold down the option key, click and drag, made a duplicate, but I've got to flip it. So how am I going to do that? Go up to Edit, Transform, and you could flip horizontally or vertically. So I'm going to flip horizontal, and it just flips a mirror image of that, and I'm just going to move it over. So now I've got my two ears. Okay, that's about it.